Assalamu alaikum dear students, hope all of you fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. This is Daliya Sultana, Assistant Teacher of National Ideal English Version School. Dear students, today I would like to talk a computer class of class 3 students. Okay, dear students, let's start our class. Okay, our term is annual class 3, subject computer, topic short question. Our lecture number is 23. Okay, so in our previous class we learned 2 questions. Now we learn 3 questions. First question, why do we need search engine? Our answer: we need search engine to search over the internet for the information we need. Big Google, Yahoo are some common search engine. So this a big Google and Yahoo are some common search engine, and also Pipilika are search engine. So we can get any information from the internet using search engine if any address or website is unknown to us. We usually use a search engine like Google. I repeat these 3 lines again. We can get any information from the internet using search engine if any address or website is unknown to us. We usually use a search engine like Google. What is called website or site? So the information is saved at a unique spot in the computer. This unique spot is called website or site. I repeat this question again. What is called website or site? Our answer: the information is saved at a unique spot on the computer. This unique spot is called website or site. Like this example, we have a website or school, National Ideal English Version School. So write 2 benefits of using net. Answer: 2 benefits of using net are given below. Number 1, we can read books on internet. Number 2, we can send email using internet. I repeat this question again. Write 2 benefits of using internet. There are a lot of benefits of using internet. 2 benefits of using net are given some below. So number 1, we can read books on internet. Number 2, we can send email using internet. So dear students, hope have you understood these questions properly. Keep practicing at your home and avoid by your parents. Okay, Allah Hafiz.